Hi grades 3, this is Miss David. So we are going to do a reading lesson for this week. In today's reading lesson, we will be looking at vowel teams OI and OI. So OI spelled OY and OI spelled OI. Okay, and we are going to look at words that have the OY sound and OI, and we're going to learn when do we see the OY and when do we see the OI. Now let's begin and look at the word joy. Okay? Now imagine if we didn't know, if I covered OY and I asked you to spell the word joy, imagine if we didn't know that it has OY. And imagine I put JOI instead of Y. We know that English words don't end in I. Okay? So therefore, we know that it makes sense to put OY. Okay? Then let's look at the word. Next word we have is soil. Okay? Soil. Now, again, I want you to pay attention to why do we have OI here and why couldn't we have put OY? Here we have OY in the beginning and it's oyster. Here we have OI, here we have OI, and here we have OI. So even though we say the same pronunciation, so OI would be the pronunciation of all these words. So joy, soil, oyster, oil, point, and toilet. Okay? So why do we spell some words OY and some OI? Well, whenever we have OI in the beginning or in the middle, whenever we have the OI sound in the beginning or in the middle, we usually spell it with OI and not OY, with the exception of the word oyster. Okay? We don't spell the word oyster OI, we spell it OY. However, when we see the OI sound in the beginning, we use OI. When we see it in the middle, we use OI. Only when we have it at the end, we use OY. Does that make sense? So that's our lesson for today. The sound OY and OI and the OI sound. So your main thing I want you to get from this lesson, whenever we have OY, whenever we have OI sound, at the end of the word, it's going to be OY spelling. In the middle or beginning, we would have the OI spelling. Okay? So the OI sound, if it's in the beginning or the middle of the word, we would use OI instead of OY, with the exception of the word oyster. Okay? On that note, I am going to put out the word cards, and that's your word list for this week. Okay? So the first word that should go on your list is the word boy. That's your first word for this week. So when you write your date at the top, the first word you're going to write for your spelling list this week, the word is boy. You can always pause the video, okay? And I'm gonna move to the next word. So your second word for this week is, and I dropped the card, so let me grab it first. Okay, so the word is, and I'm holding it the wrong way, join. The second word is join. The third word on the list is enjoy. Enjoy. And look, we have OY at the end. Okay? Enjoy. Next one is toy. Then we have the word boil. See, the OI sound is in the middle, so we use OI instead of OY. Boil. Our next word is coin. Coin. Next one is moist. moist, moist. Next one is point, point. Number 9 is oyster, oyster. And our last one, number 10, is oil. Okay, so that is your list of 10 words for this week. Please make sure that you practice it. Also remember to write them twice. For example, if you're watching this video, okay, if you're watching this video on Monday, then make sure you write your word list twice the next day, so on Tuesday. If you're watching this video on Wednesday, you can write your words list twice on Thursday, okay? On that note, our lesson ends, and I will see you next time. Bye.